Here's a look at the Waterboy. The Waterboy is a two-wheeled hand cart. It has an adjustable handle. It has a 5-gallon bucket on the front with 3 accessory loops. The rear you have a 3-gallon dry bin with 6 accessory loops. And down the middle you have 2 tubes that hold anything with on a pole. Trad pole, a broom, any type of tool that you might want to carry. So accessory loops are great for things like scrapers, as a window cleaner also. 3 gallons of water in that front with your window cleaning tools. We have that bucket strategically tilted forward so that when you do tilt it back to walk, it stays more leveled to eliminate splashing. If you have different style tools for different floors you might be working on or different needs around the building, multiple accessory loops to hold the variety of tools you might have. Rags for the dry bin, water bottles, whatever your employees might need while they're working on the commercial site washing windows. Not only as a window cleaning tool cart, we also found it works great for maintenance guys who need it as a tool caddy. So as a tool caddy, you get the same 5-gallon bucket on the front, dry bin on the rear. By putting a tool organizer into that 5-gallon bucket, it allows you to carry all your maintenance tools you might have, hammers, anything you might need in the bucket area. If you're dusting stuff around the property, you put on your broom or on a trad pole type thing, a duster. Just a variety of different options or ways to use these carts and to be able to use them in different trades. That's a look at the Waterboy. And if you have any questions, you can email us at waterboycart@gmail.com.